Did you know a man chose death over compromise and changed history forever? In 46 BC, Cato the Younger sat in his final stronghold as Caesar's armies closed in. All night he read Plato's dialogue on the soul's immortality, preparing for what was to come. His friends begged him to surrender, to live under Caesar's rule. But Cato knew this meant betraying everything he believed in. As a Stoic philosopher, he valued virtue above life itself. Freedom wasn't just political, it was spiritual. To live under tyranny would corrupt his soul. At dawn, he made his choice. Rather than submit, he ended his life on his own terms. This wasn't despair, it was the ultimate act of freedom. His death inspired generations to value principle over survival. Today, his example reminds us that some things matter more than comfort or safety. True strength means standing firm in your values, even when the cost is everything.